Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to find public records in the state of Missouri. Now the first thing you should do is come down to MissouriPublicRecords.org, and I'll have a link in the description for you. You can click on that or just type the name MissouriPublicRecords.org into your browser. On the home page here you will see that there's an alphabetized list of many public databases available in the state of Missouri. So depending on what your public records check is about, you should be able to find some databases. Now, another thing we have done on the page here is we created specific pages for the most sought after records. So these pages are just going to be in more detail, anything from background checks to vital records, and I'll show you what one of these pages looks like. For example, this would be the background check page. And so you're going to notice your first set of resources here are state resources. These would be statewide resources, so anything from court records to a criminal history check to prison records to the sex offender registry. If you scroll down, you will notice you have county level resources. And county resource, a lot of these are going to be covered in the state resources, but some of these need to be done at the county level. For example, if you wanted to look up jail records, you're not necessarily going to find them at the Department of Corrections database. So they both have their own job and they're both slightly different, and you should be able to utilize both of them if that's the type of information you're searching for. So another thing to consider is the private database here on top of the page. It's a name search. What this does is it combines information not just from county and state level in Missouri, it also combines information from multiple states. So why is that important? Well, let's say you're looking up criminal information in the state of Missouri. You're looking at county records, at state records, but let's say the person has previously lived in Florida or maybe Tennessee and they have a criminal record there. So if you're just looking at local records, you're not necessarily going to see those criminal offenses in a local county or a state search. So in order to make sure you have all your bases covered, in order to make sure that you're not missing anything, you want to also utilize this tool, which will help you get a more in-depth look at an individual on a more national level. So with that said, visit MissouriPublicRecords.org and get started on your Missouri Public Records check. Thank you.